a $22,000 body-on-frame pickup, the possible return of the Nissan Titan, and a strategy that could put pressure on Ford, Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and GMC all at the same time. Just when many believed Nissan had faded from the truck conversation, the company appears ready to launch one of its boldest comebacks in years. But this isn't simply about introducing another pickup. It's about attacking two of the biggest gaps in today's truck market with two completely different solutions. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Maven. Here are the 6 reasons Nissan's upcoming truck plans could send shockwaves across the entire industry. Number 6. Nissan's secret weapon. 2 trucks, 2 markets. Most manufacturers would consider a single new pickup launch a major event. Nissan appears to be taking a much bolder route by developing 2 pickups that serve completely different purposes. One is the rumored return of the Titan, a full-size half-ton truck expected to compete against heavyweights like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, Ram 1500, GMC Sierra, and Toyota Tundra. The other is the NP300, a practical work-focused model aimed at affordability. From a product planning perspective, this is a fascinating move. Nissan is addressing both premium capability seekers and budget-conscious workers simultaneously, giving the brand a chance to capture customers from opposite ends of the truck market. And while the 2-truck strategy is intriguing on its own, the real surprise may be the price of one of them. Number 5. $22,000 shocker. Nissan's truck changes everything. If reports are accurate, the upcoming NP300 could become one of the most disruptive truck launches in years. Why? Because Nissan is reportedly targeting a starting price near $22,000. In today's market, where compact trucks often exceed $30,000 and full-size models can reach 6 figures, that number feels almost unbelievable. More importantly, this is not expected to be a car-based pickup. The NP300 reportedly uses traditional body-on-frame construction, the architecture favored for towing, hauling, and long-term durability. For contractors, fleet operators, and first-time truck buyers, this could represent something increasingly rare, a genuine work truck that prioritizes capability over costly luxury features. But low pricing alone won't make the NP300 successful. What really matters is whether it can perform like a true work truck. Number 4. NP300 Workhorse. America's next truck hero? Price may grab headlines, but capability is what keeps trucks relevant. The NP300 is expected to ride on Nissan's proven Navara platform, a chassis that has earned respect across Australia, Asia, Europe, and South America for its durability. Reports suggest a regular cab configuration with a massive 7.7-foot cargo bed, giving workers impressive hauling flexibility. Expected towing figures near 6,600 pounds and payload ratings approaching 2,700 pounds place it among far more expensive competitors. Power is likely to come from a dependable 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, while some markets may receive a torque-rich diesel producing roughly 300 pound-feet. It's a truck engineered for productivity, not prestige. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, now would be a great time to hit that like button and subscribe to Maven. We cover the latest vehicle launches, industry shakeups, truck news, and automotive innovations to help you stay ahead of the curve. Now that we've covered Nissan's affordable workhorse, let's shift gears to the truck many enthusiasts have been waiting years to see return. Number 3. Titan returns. Nissan's full-size truck redemption. While the NP300 is attracting attention for its affordability, many enthusiasts are focused on another story: the return of the Nissan Titan. After leaving the full-size segment, many assumed Nissan was finished competing against the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, Ram 1500, GMC Sierra, and Toyota Tundra. Now that appears to be changing. Interestingly, today's truck market may actually favor the Titan's return. Many buyers are growing tired of increasingly complex trucks loaded with costly features. Historically, the Titan earned respect by offering straightforward capability, solid reliability, and strong value, a formula Nissan appears eager to revive once again. Of course, capability alone won't determine the Titan's success. What Nissan puts under the hood could be just as important. Number 2. V8 or twin-turbo, Titan's power play begins. Under the hood is where the next Titan could become especially interesting. Reports suggest Nissan may bring back its proven 5.6-liter endurance V8, an engine known for smooth power delivery, durability, and traditional truck character. At the same time, rumors point to a modern twin-turbocharged V6, producing roughly 425 horsepower and 515 pound-feet of torque. That would place the Titan among the segment's strongest performers. The real advantage may be choice. Buyers who prefer naturally aspirated V8 power could have one option, while those wanting modern turbocharged performance and efficiency could choose another. Even diesel speculation continues among enthusiasts. But the real story isn't just the engines or the trucks themselves. It's what Nissan's entire strategy could mean for the pickup market. Number 1. Market Shakeup, Nissan's bold truck Masterplan. The biggest reason these trucks matter is because Nissan appears to be addressing two major weaknesses in today's pickup market. The Titan targets buyers seeking value in the increasingly expensive full-size segment, while the NP300 focuses on affordability and practicality. Together, they attack two of the industry's largest gaps. The Titan could bring renewed competition to established rivals, while the NP300 could redefine expectations for entry-level work trucks. Add aggressive styling inspired by Nissan's Warrior concepts and potentially competitive pricing, and Nissan suddenly looks ready to become a serious player again, rather than a company watching from the sidelines. Which brings us to the ultimate question: can Nissan actually deliver on these ambitious promises? Final verdict: Nissan bets big on trucks. Nissan's upcoming truck lineup could represent one of the most significant shifts we've seen from the brand in decades. The Titan aims to give buyers another credible choice in the full-size segment, while the NP300 could bring genuine affordability back to hardworking truck owners. If Nissan delivers the right balance of capability, durability, pricing, and modern engineering, both trucks could attract attention far beyond Nissan loyalists. Now we'd like to hear from you. Would you consider buying a $22,000 body-on-frame Nissan NP300 over today's more expensive alternatives? And if the Titan returns with both V8 and twin-turbo power, which engine would you choose and why? Share your thoughts, experiences, and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this update, be sure to subscribe to Motor Maven and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle news, truck updates, industry insights, and upcoming automotive coverage. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for spending time with Motor Maven. If you thought the new Nissan trucks were impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.